Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is at 40,800 and Bitcoin is at a triple support area, very important. It is Friday, North American East Coast time. It's about 1 p.m. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we see that there's three areas of support that we're testing right now. One area of support is this line, this yellow line, diagonal line. That is support, and that is coming in at roughly 40,400. We have a horizontal yellow line. This yellow line is a upward resistance area, upward resistance line, higher resistance for the Wyckoff accumulation zone of last year during the summertime. And then we have a third, which is the white line here. This is the 200 daily moving average. And that's roughly at about 40,800, 40,900. We're testing that right now. So we do see a little bit of buying coming in, and we just need to wait and see if the bulls are able to push the price higher and hold these levels. If not, then we could see lower levels, significant lower levels, 0.5 Fibonacci level. Usually when asset is very strong, you can see support here. That's going to be 39,700, 39,800, right around in that area. And then the 0.618 Fibonacci at 38,600, 38,500. Those are very important levels for pullbacks. Now, if we pull back, if we lose the triple support here and we lose the 39,800, then we could be seeing 38,500. Most likely would see that 38,500. If we lose that, then most likely 37,000. And if we lose that, then of course 35,000. Okay, those are the levels of support for the bulls on a pullback on the 4-hour chart. Now, taking a look at important levels to the upside, well, remember the $43,000 level is important. We need to close above that between now and Monday of next week, because that would show some progress for the bulls and show some strength. If we cannot hang on to that $43,000 area and we close below that, then there is a risk next week of going lower. 45,000 does remain the level in the level to claim for the bulls. This is the bear zone. The bears live on the other side of 45,000, 45,000 above, and below 45,000 is basically, you know, any type of a pullback, or excuse me, any type of a upward thrust. We could see a bounce here, and it would really be insignificant if we cannot break the $45,000 level and hold that and continue onward and upward. So we could see something like this and then a breakdown, or we could see somewhat of a maybe ascending triangle, something like this. If you draw a line up here and draw a line over here, and then another line up here like so, that shows an ascending triangle. So if we bounce here and we move up, when we test the 45 again, pull back, and if we hold above this trend line, we could be pushing higher. That is a scenario that would be kind of like a slow walk, a slow grind up to 45 in preparation of breaking that 45 area either this weekend or next week. But you know, we have to just pay attention, be careful, and we need to be patient. I think it's very important to be patient, because otherwise we could get into a trade too early and we could lose money. And remember the first rule: you never want to lose money, right? So you always want to enter where there's a lot of support, enter when there's momentum shifts and changes. And right now we just had this long run up, okay, and so we need to be careful. but there is a good chance that we could hold this level. Today is Friday. We need to be careful on Fridays because Fridays do see some sell downs, some sell offs, and some corrections and downward momentum sometimes. So we need to be careful on that. Taking a look at the Fisher is still negative, showing that we are in a correction currently on the 4-hour. And the RSI currently is 40, so there is more downside available, and it is a little bit on the weak side. So we need to be careful. The RSI is showing weakness. Stochastics is on the bottom, showing that it is ready to move higher whenever we do see upward thrust with the price movement. Remember, price is always the most important, so we're primarily paying attention to the price action on the chart and support levels and resistance levels. And outside of that, then we look at indicators after that. Okay. Volume wise, here we're taking a look at the volume, and the volume is much lower now because, of course, we are in a correction, and Fridays is usually a profit taking time for the weekly swing traders. Okay. So that being said, friends, we need to close out the week above 43,000. To continue the trend, we need to claim 45,400 and above, 45,500 roughly. And any type of pullbacks, we need to hold above the golden pocket, which is 38,500 up to 39,900. Between that area, we need to bounce and claim that and hold strong in that area. So thank you, friends, for watching. Those are the levels to watch. The altcoins are pretty much doing the same thing as Bitcoin, following Bitcoin here. There are some outliers. There are some coins, smaller projects that are doing quite well today. CeeLo is 8.2%. Chile's 2%. And let's see if there's some others here. Glimmer is 4.7%. And that is pretty much about it for, well, Waves is about 6%. So that's about it for my list there. And thank you for watching, friends. Remember, do not lose money. That's the #1 rule in trading, investing, and outside of that, good luck in making money. Again, this is not investment advice. I'm just sharing with you what I see on the charts. So we are in a correction. Currently, we still are bullish on the 4-hour. However, if we lose this triple support that I was talking about earlier, the 200 daily moving average and these two yellow lines, which would be below 39,800, then we could be seeing much lower prices, most likely 38,500, and below that 36,700. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please share, and we'll see you in the next video.